Magandang araw, ako po si Sir Ariel, ang ALS lover ng Edtech Unit. Narito po ako para sa isang napakagandang balita at upang magpaalala na ang kinabukasan ay mas gaganda at uunlad kung ang lahat ay patuloy na mag-aaral. Sa edukasyon sa ating bansa, tiyak na walang maiiwanan sa pag-abot ng mga pangarap. Kaya naman ang Department of Education ICT's Educational Technology Unit at Alternative Learning System Task Force ay nagtutulungan sa pagkakaroon ng Algebraic Empowerment Program upang maihatid ang excellent quality education sa ating mga ALS learner and teachers. To easily deliver the lessons from the modules and other references, we will provide tablet PC as part of the DepEd computerization program to all ALS teachers and orientation on the use of these packages. To deepen the pedagogical use of information and communications and technology in delivering instructions, there are training workshops on the use and curation of open educational resources or OER, Google and Microsoft productivity tools, creation of video lessons using PowerPoint presentations and KineMaster, and on ebook or e-magazine development. To create an avenue for remedial lessons that is open to all learners, teachers, and parents, we will have the ETUlay free online tutorial and mobile ETUlay, where we will visit remote schools to feature the best practices of our ALS teachers and learners. Sa mga out-of-school youth and adult, laging tatandaan na may pag-asa upang makapagpatuloy sa pag-aaral. May ALS para sa inyo. Ang edukasyon ay para sa lahat. Para sa bata, para sa bayan, para sa guro. Sulong Edukalidad.
Magandang araw, Sir Wilbur po, at your service. Narito ang ETUlay upang gabayan ka sa inyong pag-aaral upang lubos na maunawaan ang iba't ibang paksa o subject. Ang ETUlay ay isang free online tutorial class na pinangungunahan ng ICT's Educational Technology Unit sa pamumuno ni Undersecretary Elaine Del B. Pascua. Ang programang ito ay hindi lamang para sa mga bata, kundi ito rin ay magsisilbing gabay sa mga magulang at mga guro kung paano nila ituturo o gagabayan sa bawat asignatura ang kanilang mga anak o mga estudyante. Sa kasalukuyan, ang self-learning module mula sa rehiyon ng Calabarzon at kilala sa tawag na pivot ang ginagamit sa ating ETUlay online class. Kaya ano pang hinihintay ninyo? Ihanda na ang inyong mga ballpen o lapis, papel o kwaderno at samahan kaming itulay ang pagkatuto para sa bawat batang Pilipino. Sama-sama tayong magtutulungan para malampasan ang mga hamon sa panahong ito. Halina't matuto kasama ang inyong online tutor sa oras na ito.
Yes, hello, good afternoon sa lahat ng mga grade 6 learners natin dyan sa buong Pilipinas, sa Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao. Ganun din sa kanilang mga magulang na kasama nila ngayon nakatutok dito sa ETUlay at sa lahat ng mga kapwa natin educators. Magandang hapon po. So, hindi mo na makakasama ngayong hapon na to Sir Prince, pero ako po ang inyong tutor of Hill para po tulungan kayong matuto para sa ating grade 6 mathematics. At muli po, welcome tayo sa ating quarter 3, week 4 na po tayo. Ayun. So, bago ang lahat, tawag po natin kalimutan i-like at i-share ang ating mga Facebook pages, ang DepEd Philippines, DepEd Edtech Unit, DepEd TV at DepEd Tayo. Ganoon din po pa-subscribe ng ating official YouTube channel, ang DepEd TV Official, DepEd Philippines at Educational Technology Unit. At syempre po, pa-share na rin po at pa-like ng aming mga personal pages, ang Simply of Hill, Samal National High School Annex at DepEd TV 1 Bataan Production Team. And of course, batiin po muna natin ng good afternoon sila Kisha Ariola watching from Pangao Integrated School. Hi po, grade 6 from Suklayin, Arayat. Alcris Javier Adriano. Good afternoon, grade 6 student watching from Bonga Minor Elementary School, Bustos District. And watching from Rojas West Central School and sila Alriza Sidane, Malino Elementary School, 6 Matapat. And of course, binabati rin natin sila Neil Andre Aven, grade 6 SSES, watching from Bongga Minor Elementary School. Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. So mag-start tayo ng ating discussion this afternoon. So habang hinihintay natin yung, ayan, okay. So, tuloy-tuloy tayo mga grade 6 learners. Katulad ng aking sinabi, wala lang ngayon ang ating tutor Prince, ang ating Prince of Mathematics, pero makakasama nyo naman ng inyong tutor of Hill. At nandito tayo sa quarter 3, week 4. At ang pag-uusapan natin ay tungkol solving problems involving different types of numerical expressions and equations. Ayun. So, eto si Tutor Prince. Yan. Abangan nyo siya every Friday from 1 p.m. to 1:40 p.m. Dito lamang sa DepEd Online Tutorial, ang ETUlay. So, salamat muna of course sa lahat ng mga sa pinanggalingan ng ating reference na module na to, ang SDO Negros Oriental. So sila yung development team of the module. Ito yung mga writers at mga management team ng ating SDO Negros Oriental. Magandang hapon po at maraming salamat po sa pagpapa-unlock na magamit po ang inyong module for this afternoon. So ano nga ba ang objectives natin or layunin natin ngayong hapon? So at the end of this lesson, you will be able to represent quantities in real-life situations using algebraic expressions and equations. Also, you will be able to solve routine and non-routine problems involving different types of numerical expressions and equations. Ayun. So maraming nagpapa-shout out. So directions, what I know muna tayo. Match each mathematical phrase in column A to each corresponding algebraic expression in column B. Write the letter of your answer. So let us try to check the questions on your monitor. So we have their mathematical phrase and we have also the expression on the other column. So tingnan nyo araw kung ano kaya ang column or ano kaya expression ang magre-represent sa ating first question. 4 times the sum of A, B, and C. Sa second question naman, the difference of a number and 2. Third question is 3 times a number plus 20. And our fourth question is 10 divided by the sum of A and B. Okay, so let us check Tingnan natin isulat lamang yung mga sagot sa ating comment section. Ayun. So habang hinintay ko ang inyong mga kasagutan, batiin lang natin ng good afternoon sila Rian Perez Chodoro watching from Unawain Vicares Elementary School, Hagonay, Bulacan. And also watching from Langkaan Elementary School, si Ran Jaren Cruz and si Gabriel Carubin and J.Ann Yamono. Ayun, may mga sagot na pala tayo. So, sagot nila Maria Cristina Belmonte, letter C daw. Si Gabriel Carubin, letter C. Si Jillian Greños, letter C din. Si Ran Jaren Cruz, letter C din. Ganyan din naman ang sagot nila Vince Ramos, Jillian, Aisha, Altea, J.Ann, Amiel, and Gina Claire and Erin. Tingnan natin kung ang sagot ang number 1 is letter C. So, correct. Very good. The 4 times the sum of A, B, and C is equal to the 4 quantity, nakagroup tayo, A plus B plus C. Very good, correct. Okay, let us check. Let's have number 2. Ano naman ang sagutin nyo sa ating number 2 question? Good afternoon, watching from Luntan Elementary School and Malimpang Elementary San Ildefonso, Bulacan, si Brix Arky Gonzalez. Ayun, magandang hapon. So tama, sumagot na sila Aisha Metina de la Cruz, si Ron, si Rich, si Gianna Clear, Cassie, at ganun din ang sagot nila Gabriel, Altea, Margo, and sino ba? Si Jeanette and Amiel. Si Briggs at si Jeanette. Tingnan natin kung tama ang kanilang mga sagot. If your answer is letter B, you are correct. Very good. Ang gagaling ng mga kasama natin ngayon sa live. Very good. Now let's have our question number 3. 3 times a number plus 20. So let us check your answer. Hello po, tutor, sabi ni Julia May Oclarino. Magandang hapon. Sabi ni Ron Jaren letter E. Ganun din ang sagot ni Riley. Ganun din ang sagot nila Akisha at nila Gianna Claire Laguerta. So if check natin kung tama ang sagot nila letter E, Ashley and J.Ann. If your answer is letter E, correct. Very good. Very good. Si Ran, si Kian, si Dimple. Magagaling. Okay, now let's have question number 4. How about 10 divided by the sum of A and B? Let us check your answer. Yes, minention ni Rian si Janine Elaika Felipe. Hello. Okay, may sagot na si Akisha, letter D daw. Tingnan natin ang sagot ng iba pa nating mga classmate. Letter A daw, sabi ni Amiel. At letter D din daw ang sagot ni Jillian. Ayan. So if your answer for number 4 is letter D, you are correct. Very good. Correct, ha? Ang gagaling ng mga students natin dito. Okay, now let us try to analyze or review the arithmetic equations and their parts. So there are type of arithmetic equation, the addition equation and the subtraction equation. Under the description, addition equation is there are addends, are the numbers that are added together to give a sum. While in subtraction equation or subtraction operation, the subtrahend is taken away from the minuend to give a difference. For example, in addition, 15 plus 23 is 38, while in subtraction operation, 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. So that is the example of the given addition equation and the subtraction equation. So, watching from Simimbaan Integrated School, Ross District, si Chea, magandang hapon. Now, let us try. Let us continue. So there's also an arithmetic equation under the multiplication operation wherein factors are multiplied by to give a product. So for example, 2 times 4 is 8, while in division equation, a dividend is divided by a divisor, 720 divided by 8 is equal 90. That's one of the examples ng division equation. Ayun. Watching from Malimpaang Elementary School, San Ildefonso, Bulacan, si Bricks Archie Gonzalez, and Ross West Central School, Grade 6 Industry, Dimple May Gutierrez. Yes, hello, magandang hapon. So let us have practice number 1, the blank pink in your area. Ayan. Identify the number that will make the equation through. So number 1, 365 plus 30. What is your answer? Grade 6 learners, what is your answer? 365 plus 30. Hello daw, sabi ni Fiona May Magat. So what's your answer on this given question? Sabi ni Ashley, 395. Ganyan sagot ni Fiona, Erin, ni Amiel, ni Aisha, at ni Akisha. Tingnan natin ang sagot. So if your answer is to find the sum, add the two given addends. So you add 365 plus 30, the answer is 395. If your answer is 395, you are correct. Very good. Now let us try this one. 365 plus blank is equal to 395. What is added for you to get 395? Tingnan natin ang sagot. Shafir Amingming, Ruby Lizardo Balino, magandang hapon. Sabi Cyril Kim Casanares 30, ganun ang sagot ni Ashley Baluyot, ni Cassie at ni Fiona. Okay, let's check. The answer is 30. To find this missing addend, subtract the given addend from the sum. So for you to get the missing addend on that, 395 minus 365 is 30. That is correct. Very good. Now, what is 395 minus 30? Let us check. Let us check. $365 ang sagot nila Cyril, nila Fiona, Cassie, Akisha. The answer is correct. 365. Very good. How about this one? Okay, what's the answer? Okay, check natin. The answer is 30. Let us check. Okay, correct. How about this one? Sandali lang po, inom lang ako saglit ng tubig, mga anak ko, Pero you continue to answer that one. Ay, okay, so ayun. Pasensya ng mga students, grade 6. Okay, so the answer is 24. Sabi nila Ryan Jaren. Ganun din ang sagot nila Cassie, Gabriel, Altea, and nila Gianna Claire. If your answer is 24, yes, you are correct. Very good. So we just simply divide the given product 1,440 by 60 for you to get the number or the answer 24. That is correct. Correct. Very good sila Aisha, Jeanette, Sign ba? Kian, LJ Saludo at Lanley Joy and Riley. Ayun. So let us try to have another question. How about 1,440 divided by 24? What's the answer there? Let us check. Yehey, sabi Lanley Joy Flores Baltasar. Tama. Correct. So Dimple, Amigo Sheres, Akisha, tama rin yung sagot. Kenneth Lawrence, Janet Guado, tama rin ang inyong mga sagot. Correct. Sabi ni Maria Cristina Belmonte, 60 daw ang kanyang sagot. Ganun ang sagot nila Cassie, ni Erica May, Aisha, Cyril Kim, at ng nila Amiel at ni Fiona. If your answer on this question is 60, that is correct. So we simply divide 1,440 by 24 and then we will get the quotient 60. Correct. Very good. Now, Vince Andrew Ramos. Very good. Correct. Now let's have another question. How about 1,442 divided by blank is equal to 60? What is the answer on that? Let us check. Okay, so the answer of Ashley Baluyot is 24. Tingnan natin kung may sagot din yung iba nating mga classmates, mga grade 6 classmates. Ganyan din ang sagot nila Aisha, 24, nila Fiona, 24, Riley, and Althea. If your answer is 24, you are correct. Very good. Ang galing Gagaling ng mga kasama natin sa live. Blank divided by 24 is equal to 60. What is your answer? Blank divided by 24 is equal to 60. Sabi ni Maria Josephine Baltasar Bensusa. So, 24 po pala. Ayan, nalito lang siguro sila doon sa sa given. Okay, so the answer is 1,440. Ganyan yung sagot nila Erica May, Irene, and Chesa, and Aisha. If your answer is 1,440, okay, you are correct. Very good. Jillian, correct. Okay, now let's have practice number 2. Ain't blank no more. Say hi to variable player y. Find the value of y to make the mathematical statement correct. Number 1, y plus 7 is equal to 11. What is your answer? Sabi ni Cassie, yay! And Gianna Clear, tamang sagot. Mary Joy Sato, Kian Tersona, at ganoon din ang sagot nila, Kian. Yan. Hi po, Shooter of Hill. Shoutout po sa 4 sections ko. From Santa, nawala yung comment. Ang dami natin mga nagpa-participate. Wait lang, balikan natin yung comment na pinapa-shoutout ni teacher. Si teacher siguro yon. Saan na siya? Okay, so if you're, let us check your answer in this one. Y plus 7 is equal to 11. Hi po, Tutor of Hill. Shoutout po sa 4 sections ko. From Santa Cruz Elementary School, 6 Baltasar, 6 Rizal, 6 Algoncillo, and 6 Aquino. From SDO Laguna. This is our Friday habit po. Maraming salamat, Sir Renz Christian Tobias Pabico, for promoting po ang ating ETUlay o ang ating DepEd online tutorial. Maraming salamat sa lahat po ng mga teachers na pinapatutok po ang kanilang mga students. Thank you po sa inyong lahat. Ayan, may mga sagot tayo. Y is equal to 4. Sabi din ni Fiona, ni Ryan, ni Jeanette, ganun din sila, Linely Joy Flores Baltasar. Pa-shoutout from Santa Maria, Bulacan. Si Aisha, si Cassie, si Fiona, si Jerence, at sila Akisha. So if your answer on this one is 4, okay, you are correct. Very good. How about this one? 96 divided by y is equal to 16. Okay, let us check your answer. Okay, so ang mga sagot nila ay 6. Ganun ang sagot nila Cassie, Adeline, nila Chinese Aguado. Ganun din ang sagot nila Sain Bakiren, nila Rance Jaren at Gina Clear, Erica, and Jeanette. If your answer on this one is 6, y is the divisor for you to solve? Okay, that is 96 divided by 16 is equal to 6. That is correct. Linely Joy, correct. Gina Clear at sila Amiel, Rajan, Jacob, and Altea. That is correct. Okay, very good. How about this one? Let us try number 3. Okay, tingnan natin ang sagot natin dyan, ha?
Alright, so parang may technical kwan lang si Sir Avgil. So tuloy po natin. Okay, so getting algebraic starter pack. Ayan, ito po yung mga properties of equality natin. Okay, so we have the addition property of equality. So sa illustration, if A is equal to B, then A plus C is equal to B plus C. Okay? Sa subtraction property of equality naman, if A is equal to B, then A minus C is equal to B minus C. Kapag multiplication property of equality, if A is equal to B, then AC is equal to BC. Okay? And then, pag division property of equality, if A is equal to B, then A over C is equal to B over C. So, let's just wait for Sir Avgil. I-try po nating ituloy. Okay, so nandito na po siya. Itutuloy na ni Sir Avgil.
Thank you,
Okay?
Tutor Glens. Maraming salamat. Ayun. So, katulad ng paliwanag kanina sa atin ni Tutor Glens, so we have the addition property of equality, subtraction property of equality, multiplication property of equality, at division property of equality. So, pinakita na sa illustration at napaliwanag na sa inyo na under addition property of equality, if A is equal to B, then A plus C is equal to B plus C. So, whatever that is added na dun sa C, na dahil parehas lang ang A at B, ibig sabihin magiging equal din ang A plus C at B plus C. Same with subtraction property, multiplication, and division property of equality. Ayun. And good afternoon muna kila Ritz Chloe Alier, grade 6 from Maino Integrated School. Magandang hapon. Ayan. Now let us continue. So moving forward, the directions now for practice number 3 is to find the value of x in the following algebraic expressions. So let us try to look for x in question number 1, x plus 5 is equal to 7. Yan. What is the answer? Na-miss niyo naman ako agad ng mga grade 6 students natin. Ayun, pasensya na, medyo ano lang. Okay, sabi ni Akisha na 2, sabi ni Amiel 2 din. Ganyan din sagot ni Cassie, ni Cyril at nila Jillian. Ganun din ang kanilang mga sagot. Si Iñaki, tama rin ang sagot. At si Shafira. Let us check if your answer is correct. The answer for this one is 2. What we need is with what we apply sa subtraction property of equality, wherein we subtract 5 to both sides of the equation. That's why we have x plus 5 minus 5 is equal to 7 minus 5. From there, you will have x is equal to 2 by simplifying our given. Okay. Now, let us write this one. What is 5 times x is equal to 300? What is the answer? So, what we're going to apply this one is division property of equality. Ran Jaren, tama yung sagot sa 2. Tama rin sagot ni Rich Arwin Camus, Gina Clear, Nila Francine, Altea, Drent, LG Saludo, Ran Jaren, at ni Janisa Gusado. Ayan. So the answer of Ken Izumaki is 60. Ganyan din ang sagot ni Maria Cristina Belmonte. Let us check if the answer on this question number 2 is 60. Tingnan natin ang sagot. At ganyan din ang sagot ni Amiel at ni Aisha. Correct. Very good. The answer is 60. We simply use the division property of equality, wherein 5 times x divided by 5 is equal to 300 divided by 5. We divide both sides of the equation by 5, and then we get the value of x equal to 60. That is correct. Very good. How about question number 3? X minus 10 is equal to 22. X minus 10 is equal to 22. What is the value of x? Cassie, Nicole, Gianna, Claire, Shafira, Francie, Iniaki, Fiona, Vince, Rachel, and Jeanette. Correct. Tama ang inyong mga sagot. Bricks Arky, tama rin ang iyong sagot. Ayan. Sabi ni Neil, 60 po pala. Sorry, okay lang yan, Neil Mago. Importante ha, na kukuha na natin yung process. Okay. So, may mga sagot na tayo. We have 32 by Cheryl Del Moral. Ganyan din ang sagot ni Cassie at nila Jillian. Tingnan na natin ang mga sagot ng ating mga classmates sa grade 6 students. So what we're going to use is the addition property of equality, wherein x minus 10 plus 10 is equal to 22 plus 10. So by addition property of equality, we divide both sides by addition. We added both sides by 10, of the equation. That's why we get 32. Tama ang sagot nila Chocolate, nila Althea, ni Fiona, ni Prince Tumano Sunur, at nila Cyril. Correct. Very good. Okay, let us continue. How about on this given question? For number 4, we have x divided by 8 is equal to 9. What do you think is the value of x? Ayan. Gianna Clear, tama rin. 1, Marco Kane, correct. Mary Joy, Althea, Jeanette, si Lanley Joy Flores Baltasar, tama rin yung sagot ninyo kanina sa ating question number 3. Now, let us have question number 4. Sabi ni Maria Cristina Belmonte, 42 daw. 72, sorry. Si Aisha din ang sagot niya ay 72. Let us check your answers. Alicia May Ponce, 72 rin ang kanyang kasagutan. Pati si Giancarlo Mitra, si Chase Mija, si Lawrence Jerence, Angelo Usman, Gina Claire, Juan Marco, and Akisha, and si Nicole Del Rosario. Let us check your answer. So we just simply use the multiplication property of equality, wherein we multiply both sides of the equation by 8. So we have x divided by 8 times 8 is equal to 9 times 8. From then on, we simplify the equation and we get the value of x is equal to 72. You are correct, Chloe Alaire. Also correct, Dimple May Gutierrez, Ran Jarens. Tama ang inyong mga sagot. Very good. Now let's have another question. Samantha is y years old now. Represent her age 5 years from now. Ano ang equation to? Samantha is y years old now. Represent her age 5 years from now. So can you represent or can you use the expression of Samantha's age on this given? Okay, let us check your answer. If your answer is, we need to write an algebraic expression describing Samantha's age 5 years from now. What we need to do is we will be using y to represent Samantha's present age. From there, 5 years from now, she will be 5 years older. So what you need to do is you need to simply add y, or you need to add 5 to y. That's why Samantha's age is 5 years from now is y plus 5. Very good. Si Jillian, Maria Cristina Belmonte, Rich Arwin Camus, correct. Fiona May Magat, tama ang sagot. Elia and Erin Daniel, correct. Now let us try to this one. Eden caught 14 fish. After she ate some, only 10 fish left. How many fish did she eat? Let us try to answer this one. Okay, let us check. We can write an algebraic equation to show the relationship among the quantities involved. In that, 14 is the number of the fish Eden caught, and then F is the number of the fish Eden ate. So what we need to do for us to get the expression, sabi daw 10, or the equation, 10 is the number of fish left. So you have 14 minus y is equal to 10, correct, Jillian? Tama rin ang sagot nila, Y Saludo, Fiona Maagat, tama rin. So we will have 14 minus f is equal to 10. For you to solve the value of f, just simply have 14 minus f minus 14 is equal to 10 minus 14, applying subtraction property of equality. And then we will get negative f is equal to negative 4. But since wala naman negative na isda, di ba? Dahil nga, ang tanong is ilan kaya ang natira, we just simply divide both sides, simplifying this given, we simply divide both sides by negative 1. The answer will become 4. Very good. So, tama ang sagot nila Jared, nila Giancarlo, nila Jeanette Guado, nila Sain Bakiren, nila Juan Marco, Rizal Pantoja. Correct. So, there are 4 fish. Peter is 3 inches taller than Sue. Their total height in inches is 84. Find the height of each one. Let us check your answers. So let us check your answers, mga grade 6. We can write algebraic expression or equation to show the relationship among the quantities involved. Peter's height is described in terms of Sue's height, wherein Sue's height is in inches, and then s plus 3 is minus, that will be Peter's height in inches. So therefore, s plus quantity s plus 3 is equal to 84. S plus 3 is equal to 84. we simplify 2s plus 3 is equal to 84. And then we have subtraction property of equality. Peter is 87. Yun ang sagot ni Akisha Ariola. So the answer is 40.5. Yun. Kasi 2s is equal to 81. So we divide both sides by 2 for you to get the value of s. That is 40.5. Okay, guys, so that ends our session for this afternoon, mga grade 6 students. So next week makakasama nyo si Tutor Prince, ang ating Prince of Mathematics. Sa same time lang din tayo, 1 p.m. to 1:40 p.m. And make sure lang na lagi kayo naka-standby dahil susunod pa ang mga iba nating mathematics sa Mathelino Day, ang Math 7 natin at sa mga susunod pang iba pa nating subjects. So maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga nakasama natin this afternoon. And please don't forget to like and subscribe or like and share our mga DepEd pages and DepEd Philippines, DepEd TV, DepEd Edtech Unit at DepEd tayo. Ganun din naman ay mag-subscribe tayo sa ating official YouTube channel, ang DepEd TV Official, ang DepEd tayo, ang Educational Technology Unit at DepEd Philippines. Ayun, maraming salamat sa inyo mga grade 6 learners at ingat po tayo palagi. Bye-bye! Stay tuned lang tayo, babalik po ang grade 7.
Sigurado ako na marami ka na namang natutuhan sa ating ETUlay tutorial session ngayong araw. Tandaan, ito ay hindi lamang para sa ating mga mag-aaral, kundi pati rin sa ating mga minamahal na guro at mga magulang na kaagapay natin para maituloy ang pagkatuto sa kabila ng nararanasang pandemya. Patuloy ding sumubaybay sa DepEd TV para sa mga araling ginawang video episodes. Mapapanood ito mula Lunes hanggang Sabado, alas 7 ng umaga hanggang alas 7 ng gabi sa inyong mga telebisyon. Abangan sa Lunes mula 1:00 ng tanghali ang iba pang aralin sa ating ETUlay free online tutorial session sa Science. I-like and subscribe at manatiling nakasubaybay sa ating ETUlay tutorial session sa DepEd Edtech Unit FB page at Educational Technology Unit channel sa YouTube at sa DepEd tayo at DepEd Philippines social media accounts. Paalam!